Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Clutter here, and I'm gonna take you guys to my updated formal living room and formal dining room tour. I hope you will enjoy it. So guys, if you haven't seen my previous video that came out, I would truly encourage you guys to go and take a look at it. But I really wanted to make things very light in my house, feeling very clutter free, so I decided to change darker pieces into lighter pieces. So this beautiful table center decor was from Kirtland. It was a maroon reddish, and I transformed it to all white by spray painting it, which was very easy, and I love the way it turned out. My table and my chairs are from American Furniture Warehouse, which were very inexpensive, and I love the way they go together. It's very simple and clean, and this is exactly how I want it to be. If you've been with me through this journey of my YouTube channel, you know that I love rearranging things. So I rearranged my furniture. Right here was my sectional, which is now up front. It was right there, and I loved the way it looked, but I wanted to do something new for spring. So I went in and I moved it all the way to the back there, and I brought the table in the middle here, which I actually really like. When I brought my husband upstairs to take a look at it, he loved it as well. It makes the place feel very formal, which hence the title of this video, my formal living room and formal dining room tour. And I like it. It's where we bring guests, and we love the way it looks. It just looks simple and clutter free. I don't like small knickknacks. I like big pieces, which you can see from far, and it's, for me, clutter free. So my formal dining room table can seat up to 8 people if you really want it. However, currently I only have 6 chairs. Each of these chairs cost me about $54 each at American Furniture Warehouse, and the table cost me $100, which, guys, is a bargain for me. Okay, so let me take you guys to my formal living room and show you guys what I did and give you guys more details on each of the items that I have there. For me, my formal living room, guys, is where I can come and just kick off my shoes, relax, and just have a moment for myself. It's a very calming place, not like downstairs, which is more of a family room and everybody is there and making a lot of noise. I like coming here. It's very serene. So let me give you guys some details where I got each of my things. My 2 chairs that you see there with the navy blue pillows on are from American Furniture Warehouse. So is my table in the middle. I love this coffee table. It's very popular in the interior decor world, but I love this because it was very inexpensive for me. Also at American Furniture Warehouse, my huge sectional is from Facebook Marketplace, guys. Unfortunately, I won't be able to tell you what the brand is since I got it on Facebook Marketplace, but I love it. We come here, relax, play some games, and just have fun here. Okay guys, so just in case you're wondering, my navy blue pillows are from Home Goods, including the white and gold pillows, except the printed pillows came with the couch when I purchased it. So guys, if you're new to my channel and this is the first time you are hearing of my name and seeing my channel, I would really appreciate if you click on that like button and the subscribe button to be part of this family. I love this mirror, guys. It's huge. I love the color. It has a hint of gold, and that is from Home Good as well. This beautiful table is from American Furniture as well, guys. And I'm still not done. I really want to add more white in here, and if I have time to do those, I would definitely videotape them for you to get to see what I did. But yeah guys, this is my formal living room and dining room tour, and I hope you enjoyed it. I try my best to make sure everything is put the way I loved it, and hopefully you guys ended up liking it as well. Thank you so much guys for being part of this channel. I truly appreciate you. As I mentioned previously, if you're not part of this family, I would truly appreciate if you click on the subscribe button. God bless you all. Bye guys.